Hello everybody and welcome back to Wyatt Digitals. In today's tutorial we will be going over how to boost your FPS in Minecraft. Whether you have a potato computer and are looking to squeeze some life out of it, or if you have a good computer and you're looking to see how much FPS you can get, you have come to the right place. So the first thing we'll be doing to boost our FPS is actually making some tweaks within Windows. So what you're going to want to do is head over to the search and type Edit Power Plan. Then click Power Options, and then click High Performance. The next tweak we're going to be doing is adjusting the appearance of Windows in order to boost our FPS. Go over to your search bar and type Performance. Then click this. Now you're going to want to click Adjust for Best Performance, hit Apply, and now we're done making the tweaks within Windows. Now we will be installing some performance mods to see some real improvements in our FPS. Head over to your web browser and type Fabric MC. Then click on the Fabric website, and now you'll want to click the blue download button. Now wait for this to download, and then click Download for Windows and press Save. Now you're just going to want to go ahead and run this installer, and then you're going to want to install it for the latest version. Next, you're going to want to grab the Modpack I have linked below and extract it. Then go to your search bar and type %appdata%. Hit .minecraft. Go over to your mods folder. If you do not have a mods folder, go ahead and create one now. Now you can drag and drop all of the mods into this folder. Go ahead and close these folders, and now we can launch Minecraft for the last tweaks. Now once you're in Minecraft, you're going to want to go over to your options, hit video settings, and now you're going to want to go over to your render distance. Now you're going to want to turn this down according to your computer. If your computer is bad, you're going to want to probably turn it down to like 8 or even 6. But if your computer is good, you can leave it all the way up at like 32. Same with the max shadow distance. This doesn't really impact performance as much, but next, you're going to go over to simulation distance, and now you're going to want to turn this down as low as you need it to. I like to keep mine at around 32. Brightness, you can keep this all the way up. VSync, make sure to turn off VSync, as this will limit your FPS to your monitor's speed. Max frame rate, you can turn this all the way up to unlimited, so you can get as much FPS as you possibly can. Now go over to quality. Turn your graphics down to fast. Color space, you can keep this the same. Turn clouds to off. Turn weather to fast. Turn leaves to fast. Turn particles to minimal. Make sure you have smooth lighting turned off, and the rest are fine. Now you're just going to go ahead and click apply and click done, and now you can go ahead and get into a world. I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. Please make sure to leave a like and consider subscribing. It really helps out, but without further ado, I will see you guys next time. Peace out.